Hello, this is Crypto Snake, back again to teach you how to trade altcoins. Altcoins, also known as alternate coins to Bitcoin, can be traded for more lucrative and savage gains compared to Bitcoin, but the process can be complicated for beginners. In this guide, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin and trade it into altcoins. In order to trade altcoins, you have to select an exchange to trade on. For the purpose of this video, we will be choosing Binance, as it is one of the larger and safer exchanges to trade on. Although the main page may look convoluted and intimidating at first, once you understand it, it becomes more manageable. Creating an account is done by clicking the Register button on the top right of your screen. You will be taken to the registration page. Input your email and password and confirm. You will be given a CAPTCHA type prompt where you must slide the puzzle piece into position. This is to protect your account from brute force attacks. You will be asked to verify your email address on the next screen. Once your account has been confirmed and you are logged in, highlight over the Funds section and select Deposit. You will be brought to the Deposits page, and Bitcoin should show up as your first option. If you would like to deposit other cryptocurrencies, simply click the drop-down and select your choice. Shown under the Bitcoin Deposit Address field is a long list of letters and numbers. This is known as your public key address. It is an encrypted string of letters and numbers designed to keep your money safe, and the address is unique to you. You can click Copy Address or highlight the key manually. We will need this string in a moment. If you have followed my guide on Coinbase, this dashboard should look familiar. Click on the Accounts tab at the top of the page to be taken to the Account Overview page. In order to send Bitcoin, we must click My Wallet with the Bitcoin symbol. On the right-hand side, you will see the active transactions. We will come back to that later. Click the Send button below Bitcoin now. A Send Bitcoin prompt will display on your screen with a recipient section, withdraw from, amount, and note. In the recipient section, paste the long string of letters and numbers we copied from the Binance exchange. If you aren't sure the code was copied correctly, or if you wish to be cautious or extra safe, cross-check the address to make sure it matches letter by letter. Once you are satisfied, enter the amount you would like to send either in Bitcoin value or fiat value. The Notes section can be used for attaching messages to the recipient for payment, such as paying for specific services. Click Continue to confirm the sending of funds. On the next screen, you will see the details of your transaction, and if you have attached two-factor authentication to your account, a security code request. Once you click Continue, you will notice the new transaction under the Transactions panel. It will require Bitcoin confirmations from the blockchain before it is sent to the exchange. Once it has confirmed, it will be on its way to Binance. If you would like to confirm that your deposit is on the way, return to Binance under the Deposit section and view the transaction history on the right side of the page to confirm your transfer. Now that you have confirmed your funds have arrived, click on the Funds tab on the top right of the screen. If you have deposited Bitcoin correctly, you should see an estimated value and your amount of Bitcoin in the top right. In the top left of this page is a search bar. This is where you will search your specific altcoin to trade into. For the purpose of this video, we will be purchasing BNB, or Binance's own cryptocurrency. After you have selected your altcoin, select the Trade button on the right side of the row. A drop-down will show up displaying BNB/Bitcoin, BNB/Ethereum, and BNB/Tether. These are what are known as trading pair. As we are purchasing with Bitcoin for this video, we will select BNB/Bitcoin. You will be brought to the trading screen. This can be overwhelming at first, so I'll break it down into parts. In the top left is the list of sell orders descending from highest price to lowest price on what is known as the order book. Below that are the buy orders in the order book in the same order. On the right side of the screen is the most recent trade history, and above that are the trading pairs you can switch to directly from this page. For the purpose of this video, you won't have to focus on these sections. In the top middle is the chart, with the most recent price displayed on the right side. Below the chart is the Buy BNB and Sell BNB section. This is where you will place your first purchase. Under the Amount section, you can place how many coins you would like to purchase. If you don't want to do the calculation of how much Bitcoin it would require for those coins, you can simply click the 100%, 75%, 50%, or 25% buttons to quickly calculate how much your Bitcoin will buy you of any specific coin. The price section should automatically be filled with the latest price point. However, If it isn't, and you would like to immediately fill your order, you would place your buy close to or above the current price of the coin. When you are ready to purchase, click the Buy button to confirm. If your order has filled, it will display under the My 24-Hour Order History section. If it has not filled, it will display under the Open Orders. You can either wait for the price to hit your target price, or you can cancel it and raise the price. If you would like to verify your purchase and view your amount of coins, you can return to the Funds button on the top right and balances at any time. And that's it. You have now successfully traded your very first altcoin. If you would like more information on which altcoins to trade, please join my free Telegram, where I will provide insights on the market as well as sneak peeks to my personal entries and exits in the market. Please check out my next video series on trading techniques, where I will cover different technical analysis strategies for trading and tips on the market. This is Crypto Snake, signing off.